Hello everyone. In one of my earlier videos, I talked about how we can repurpose our old smartphones. Today, I will show you the steps for each of them. Let's start with the dashcam. To convert your smartphone into a car dashcam, you need a charger, a mobile holder, and a dashcam application. There are a few things to consider when buying this stuff. The charger should have an adequate length to reach your holder. Then holding position should be such that your phone is always away from bright sunlight to avoid heating. Then, if you want to use a spare smartphone or your daily driver. And finally, the app. A dedicated dashcam app will have some important features that are not present in a regular camera app, like auto roll-off of older recordings, background recording, and speed capture. With background recording, you can use the same phone for navigation. Also, if you like, you might want to have an app with a speed limit sign detector or auto start and stop functionality. You can start by installing Drive Recorder. However, I would highly encourage you to try out different apps and find the right fit for yourself. The purpose of recommending this app is to give you a head start, as I find it useful. I am not associated with the developers of this app in any way. Next up, we have webcams. The biggest advantage is for desktops. A smartphone gives you not only a high-resolution camera but also a great microphone. Similarly, laptop webcams are not so great either. So, to set up your webcam, you would need a decent phone holder and an app with its desktop client. The app should be able to transfer the sound from the phone's microphone when streaming on a local Wi-Fi network without sending it over the internet for a smooth experience, or via USB as most PCs don't have a Wi-Fi adapter. Also, if the phone is old, it would eliminate the need for a new battery. I can recommend DroidCam for this. Both its mobile as well as desktop client have a low footprint and check all the boxes. It also has a paid version if you like the features it offers. But to reiterate, try different apps by yourself to find the best fit. Finally, let's talk about home surveillance. I won't be recommending any app here since this concerns your safety. However, the two-way talk option seems a must for any such app. And if you want to install it as CCTV, or have a CCTV-like recording feature, cloud storage might come in handy. You can also leverage the advanced features of AI-based selective recording offered by some developers. Do let me know if you learned something valuable today, and feel free to check out my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.